Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up a WireGuard server using SSH Ocean and configuring it on the v2rayNG VPN for fast and secure browsing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable VPN solution, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First, we need to create a WireGuard server. Open any browser like Chrome and type SSH Ocean in the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll see various results. Click on the SSH Ocean website to go to its homepage. Once you're on the homepage, tap on the menu button to expand the options. From the list of menus, you'll see one called Services. Tap on it to reveal the submenus. Scroll down a bit and tap on WireGuard to start creating your WireGuard server. Next, you'll be directed to the WireGuard location page. Here, you can choose any server location you prefer by tapping on the Select Location button. After selecting the location, choose a server by tapping on Create Server. You'll then be directed to an account form page. On the account form page, enter any username you like, check the reCAPTCHA box, and then tap on Create Account. The WireGuard server will be created in just a few seconds, so wait for it to complete. Once the server is created, copy the WireGuard server details to your clipboard. We'll use this information to set up the v2rayNG VPN. Now, go back to your home screen. Next, we'll download the v2rayNG VPN. Open the Play Store and type v2rayNG in the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll see the search results. Find and tap on the v2rayNG VPN app. Then, tap on the Download button to install the VPN. Once the VPN is installed, you'll see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the VPN. You'll then be on the home screen of the v2rayNG VPN. On the home screen, you'll see a plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal a list of different menus. From this list, you'll see various protocols like v2ray, Trojan, and others. We need WireGuard, so tap on Copy from Clipboard to import the WireGuard server details we just created. Once the server is imported, you can edit it if needed. Tap on the pencil icon to add a custom SNI or rename the configuration. Once you're done, tap on Save. Now tap on the Start button to connect the VPN. The VPN will start in a few seconds. To ensure it's working correctly, tap on Test to see the logs. You can also save the configurations for later use by tapping on the Share button. This allows you to save the details to your clipboard or as a QR code. And that's it. You've successfully set up a WireGuard server and configured it on the v2rayNG VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next